Our YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Ray News on Facebook. Now what I'm showing is, this is my Hampton Bay Landmark ceiling fan dated January of 1993. Now I'm about to show you the symptoms of a ceiling fan with a bad capacitor. And I'm just doing this for an example and stuff. And I'm going to show you a little surprise at the end of the video. So, I'm about to go and start it off with low. Yeah, you see how it starts? Like how it takes forever. Now, this is low speed. This is low speed of a ceiling fan with a bad capacitor. Now, that's not how you would want... That's not how you would want your fan to go and stuff. And then sometimes it'll stall out and stuff. But you will see it trying to pick up its speed and stuff. Now I'm going to bump it up to medium. Now medium, it's going to take a really long time and stuff to start up and stuff. And then even when you push the blades around, so medium, hold on, let me turn my Kenroy ceiling fan off. Yeah, you see how I pushed the blades and stuff and then it sped up. Now it went back to this speed and stuff. So if your ceiling fan is spinning like that, that means, oh, I just bumped it up to high speed. That means your ceiling fan has a bad capacitor and stuff. And it just got to be replaced. Now this is high speed and stuff. Now this basically looks like a low speed. Now this will look like a regular low speed and stuff. So this is like how slow it's going on low. This is how fast it's going on high speed of this fan and stuff. So yeah, so if your ceiling fan is spinning like that, then the capacitor has to be replaced and stuff. Now, due to the fact that the motor that I put in this fan came off of a newer ceiling fan, so it uses a 5-wire capacitor. So the newer ceiling fan, it uses something like a 3-wire capacitor or sometimes a 4-wire capacitor. And sometimes it'll use a 5-wire capacitor. That's how it'll be on the newer ceiling fan. Cause on older ceiling fans it has a 2-wire capacitor, which is the white wire and the red wire on the older fans and stuff. On a lot of older ceiling fans. But other than that, before I end this video, I got a little surprise for you guys. Just wait. Got him. Yeah. Hey. Y'all really thought that this fan had a bad capacitor? Well, guess what? I had the remote control speed set down to low the whole time. And I put the fan back on high speed. But other than that, let me turn this fan off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. More to come.